144 divided by 6. 2 times 6 is 12. 14 minus 12 is 2. Bring down 4. 4 times 6 is 24. 24 minus 24 is 0. Answer is 24. 729 divided by 9. 8 times 9 is 72. 72 minus 72 is 0. Bring down 9. 1 times 9 is 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. Answer is 81.